Do you know that Warren Buffett collects $700 million worth of dividends from owning Coca-Cola shares? Could you like that? If you want that, you have to invest about $23 billion in Coca-Cola because Coca-Cola gives a 3.3% in dividend yield. If you look at Coca-Cola's share price, it's been going sideways. Meaning to say if we buy it, we don't make much capital appreciation. So is the dividend worth it at 3.3%? If you still like Coca-Cola, this is an option strategy that allows you to collect more than 3.3% in dividends. So what I'll do if I buy Coca-Cola shares, I will consider selling calls on Coca-Cola. What it means is, I will go to the option chain and look for a 30 days call. Right now, Coca-Cola shares is selling at $61.82. Assuming I sell a 62 call, every single contract is going to make me $70. So if I have 1,000 Coca-Cola shares, I can make $700 of side income every single month. So for options investors, instead of just buying and holding the stocks collecting dividends, we can consider selling calls to enhance our income every single month, adding up to a potential 5, 10 or even 15% additional dividends or premium income from options. To learn more about options, follow our channel and also click on the links around to get more free resources.